Want to start a timer fast without opening the clock app every time? If you are using a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a quicker way. With the Edge panel and the touch panel, you can start a new timer with just one tap. Let me show you how to do it. First, you have to make sure that the touch panel is on and timer is added to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel and then tap gear icon at the bottom to customize your panel. Swipe through the panels and make sure that the touch panel is turned on. Tap Edit. Scroll down the screen. Under Clock section, tap Timer to add the shortcut to the touch panel. Close the setting. Now open the Edge panel again. Swipe through the Edge panel to find the touch panel. Tap Timer to open the clock app and go straight to the timer tab. Here you can quickly set the time and then press start to start the timer. It's super fast and easy, and it's a great way to save time when cooking, working out, or managing tasks during the day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.